Invideo versus Pictory, which is the best software if you want to convert text into a video. Today's video, I'm going to compare both of them and make the same video in both softwares to see which one gets the best results. For that, I've lined up this script right there, which is about the best things to do in Amsterdam, which is a video that gets 100,000 views, 500,000, over 1,000,000, another 1,000,000, 100K, a video that could potentially get a lot of views. So step number one, we copy our script and then we can get started in Invideo as well as Pictory. In Invideo, you have a free trial available. You can click on the links in the description down below to get a free trial at Invideo as well as Pictory, but I'll give you my final opinion on which one you should choose at the end of this video. I'll choose a clear winner for you. So as you can see, Invideo looks like this. They've got the text to video feature right here, which if you click on it, first of all, you have to choose a template. Now on Pictory, it's kind of the same. You've got script to video, but if you click proceed, you first of all have to put in your script, which you do by simply pasting it just like this. Now what you need to do on Pictory as well as Invideo is make sure that the text is not too long so that the scenes that they create are also not going to be too long. So scenes are basically the clips that they automatically choose for your video. So just like this, I'm now done. I can click proceed in the top right corner and then choose a template. So on Invideo, these are the templates that are available. But the problem with all of these templates is that they try and make it too fancy. You can see all of these right here. They're not great for YouTube videos. They just look kind of cool because you've got stuff flying in the screen and this and that, but it's not really effective. So because of that, I suggest just sticking to white subtitles or for example yellow, and then do the same on Pictory. Now Pictory has more effective ones like these or these where the subtitles are down at the bottom, which is exactly how people consume TV shows, Netflix series, or anything else, so they're used to reading it there. But the one I always use on Pictory is this one, subtitle yellow. Very effective, does exactly what you want it to do. So simply click on the template that you like to use, and then it's going to generate our video, which is doing as of right now. On Invideo, it's kind of the same, but remember we have to choose a template first. So I'm going to choose this one. I'll simply mute that. Then choose the landscape. So we're going to go with that one. And then it's loading as well. So you can see both softwares are pretty similar in terms of how to use and the steps that you need to go through in order to get your video done. Whereas with Pictory, it's currently creating our storyboard, which usually takes a few minutes, probably even less depending on how long your video is. If your video is at like a minute, maybe it takes like 30 seconds to get this done, and there you go. So currently our whole video is now done on Pictory AI. This is our video, it's now done. On Invideo, I now need to paste in my script, and then I can click create scenes. Now what I can do here is the exact same thing. So I can make sure that these scenes are not too long by making sure that the text is not too long either. So this is a very, very similar process compared to Pictory AI, just like this. There we go. You can click create scenes, and then it's setting up our project. Now going back to Pictory, our video here is already done. The usability on Pictory AI is fantastic. It's great. It doesn't get much better because on the left hand side you'll see scenes. You can click on one of these scenes and then you can change the clip, making it very, very easy to put together a video. For example, scene number one. We currently have this clip right there, but this is in Venice. I want the Amsterdam canals. So what I do, I type in Amsterdam canals, and then they've integrated this with Storyblocks. Storyblocks is a stock footage website that has the best clips on the internet. And as you can see, I can choose all of these clips. Simply select one. Let's say that I want, let me try and find a good one. I think they're at the top. Let me go with this clip right there. I select it by clicking on it, and there you go. It now shows up in the background of that specific scene. And that's how you can go scene by scene. So you can click 1, 2, 3, 4. For example, this clip is awful. I want to just stick to Amsterdam clips because that's what the video is about. I type Amsterdam, and there we go. I can choose this clip. Perfect. And that's how you can continue to build out your entire video. Now on Invideo, you can see the software is a bit slower. It's still generating thumbnails. Thumbnails are probably the first picture that you see when you see the actual clips on the left hand side of the video editor, but it's currently still creating this. It's now opening the project. So by my experience, Pictory is much faster, much smoother, much better in terms of usability compared to Invideo, because Invideo is slower and the video that it'll create in a bit, which I can show you once it loads, is not going to be as good as the one on Pictory. So just a little preview on Pictory. Obviously, we just changed this scene. They automatically put this scene, which is pretty accurate. A red light district, and then this kind of clip. I like that. Scene number 3, we just... Oh no, we didn't change. So this is scene number 3. They made a little mistake here. This is not the Ajax stadium that we're talking about. I think this is a different club. So what I then do, I want to stick to 2 lines of text as well, just like that. So they made it also really easy to change that. Just the interface, the layouts on Pictory are very good. But what you can do is go to visuals, go to uploads. You can upload clips. This one, for example, it's not loading as of right now. There we go. This one about Ajax, that's the clip I need. And there we go, I'm now done. Now that's how you can build it out. So I then go this one, go that one, check this clip. And you do that one by one. You can see sometimes the text is too much, so then you can split it up. For example, so massive, right there, click split scene, and there you go. Very easy, very straightforward to use, and pretty smooth process. Then going back to Invideo, what you find here is that they've just generated our scenes, right? These are our scenes. If I then scroll down, this is our video that they currently have. It's much more laggy, plus the default video that they create is nowhere near the quality level of Pictory AI. Reason for that is, once again, first of all, I have to click in order to actually preview the scenes. But you can see that they're generating it right now, but this is still on 2 dogs. This still doesn't make sense, and you can see it's just much lower compared to Pictory AI. You see they've got bunnies here still, so they're not done with this yet. So it's still going on as of right now. So if I click here, you know that Amsterdam has more canals than Venice. They did indeed make the video, but once again, it's very slow. Now, this is something that you'll notice a lot with Invideo. Compared to Pictory AI, it's just much smoother. Just like this, as soon as the initial render is done, everything is fast. It's not slow. If I want to change this clip right here, boom, I click, go to visuals, go to library, boom, Amsterdam, I need bicycles, Amsterdam cycling. I search, hit enter, it's gonna load the stock footage for me. I can click this one, boom, and it's inserted. Boom, click here, change it, 2 lines of text, needs to be 22 maybe for that, or even 20, or I can just split the scenes like I just did, right there, split scene, there we go. Everything is much smoother, much faster, much better compared to Invideo, in my opinion, as of right now. Now, going over the other features, apart from the storyboard, which is basically the scenes that they've lined up, on Invideo, they pretty much have everything you need. You can upload your own files, you can upload videos, you can upload images, and these are actually coming from Shutterstock. If you've got the pay plan on Invideo, then you've got images, like I said, same thing there, iStock, music, text, logo, elements, templates. So comparing that to Pictory, pretty much the same thing, visuals, elements, audio, text, styles, branding, blah, blah, blah. It's just that Invideo is missing one very crucial part compared to Pictory. Invideo does not have a built-in text-to-speech voiceover, as far as I know, as of right now, not there. Whereas Pictory, you can go to audio, you can remove the background music or keep it, of course, but go to voiceover, and then you have all of these voiceovers lined up, ready to read out your script right away. So if I now click apply, boom, the voiceover is now done. And normally on like a normal video editor, you now have to sync everything, you have to put it together, make sure it fits. But with Pictory, you click apply and they automatically line up what is being said with the captions at the right moment of the video, which means I'm now done. My video is generated. So technically, you can load in your script in Pictory. You can have it select all the videos automatically. If you trust that, you can then click on voiceover, click apply, click download, and then generate your video and you're done. So technically, you can make a full video in just 2 minutes with subtitles, voiceover, footage. It's pretty crazy if you ask me. Going back to Invideo, they don't have that. What they do have is more of a presentation kind of style video. So definitely if you go to Pictory, it's stock footage, but you can make it look very decent, very, very good quality for storytelling videos. For example, these videos, once again, they get 1 million views plus and they're very easy to make with a software like Pictory. With Invideo, that's much harder because it's more PowerPoint presentation kind of style, just like this. It's kind of like Lumen 5, where everything is more focused on, let's say, presentation style. I know I'm in the template section right now, but if I simply go back, what it will load up is like, you can see this kind of stuff. This is the default. and then of course it's going to change it, but it's very slow still. You can see if I play it now, I can look at the scene, but you can see it's just so slow compared to Pictory. If I want to preview, it's going to render 50%, 51, 52, and there we go. Now you can also preview the whole video. It's much faster than Invideo. So you kind of see where I'm heading, right guys? Pictory AI, much better in terms of usability, features, because the text to video is much smoother, it's much faster, as well as it creates an actual good video that you can use on YouTube. Whereas with Invideo, you need to switch a lot, you need to change a lot, so the default is not as good. This is the preview section, by the way, on Pictory. So the video, the level of quality that you can make with the softwares, Pictory wins it. They have a text-to-speech voiceover, which Invideo is lacking as of right now. Pictory wins it once again. And then the only thing left really is pricing, which we can look at right now. So for the pricing on Invideo, they charge $30 a month or $60 a month. On Pictory, it's $23 or $47. I myself, I've got the $47 plan. I actually have a discount code for you on Pictory, as well as a free trial link. I'll leave that in the description down below. The discount code is Creator20. It gets you 20% off lifetime on Pictory, which is pretty good. And then 23. So for pricing, you can see the cheapest plan here is more expensive than the one on Pictory, and the premium one is also cheaper than the premium one on Invideo. So in my opinion, for creating videos like this, Invideo is a worse software charging more. Pictory is the better software charging less. So for me, Pictory definitely wins it in terms of pretty much everything. Usability is user-friendly. If you're just getting into the software, very easy to use. If you're still struggling, by the way, I made a free full course as well as a full platform tutorial. I'll leave those two videos in the description down below. But you can see where I'm going. Everything here is just smooth, designed for a simple process for you to make videos, even if you have no clue how to make videos. It's extremely easy. If I want to change the clip, visuals, let's say Amsterdam, people, I just want to see people walking or something like that. There we go. On the main square, there we go. Very easy, you can do anything. Then you can add the voiceover, click download, and you can download it and you're done. So which software wins? And guys, you can see Invideo is still struggling right now. I loaded this in like a while ago. You can see it's still struggling. I'm still having to figure out how to, I can click edit, then this loads up. Now I can preview it, as you can see. But still, the text is in different places all the time. So in my opinion, Pictory AI is the clear winner in this one. If you have any questions about either Pictory AI or Invideo, simply let me know. I can probably answer it for you. I've been using them for a while. I've used Pictory much more than Invideo, to be honest, because of the reason I just explained. It's much better. With that being said, I'll leave resources, so free trial links, platform tutorials, discount codes, everything in the description down below in case you're interested in signing up on Pictory. Invideo, you can do so too. I don't recommend it, but you can if you want to. Let me know, and then I'll see you next time.